Today on 23rd March 2020, I, Dr. Piroja Pardiwala, a homeopathic doctor, would like to address you all and give you some information regarding coronavirus. And I have come up with a research which is going to make a breakthrough to curb the virus as well as cure it. Now, my conclusions through my research for the coronavirus over the internet are that the novel coronavirus, which started on 31st December 2019 in Wuhan, was called the SARS-CoV-2, and it causes the disease COVID-19, and it is the largest RNA virus which is there. The coronaviruses have a membrane which is a bilipid membrane, and the RNA structure which is inside, which is the most virulent structure, is protected inside by this membrane. Now, when the virus attacks a human, it goes in through the respiratory tract, and it is the upper respiratory tract. If the immunity of the person is good, then it restricts and limits itself over there only. If the immunity of the person is compromised, then the virus travels through the lower respiratory tract, and the person gets breathlessness and needs to have an oxygen support in the ICU. In certain cases, they have also related it to multiple sclerosis. This virus can be restricted and limited to the upper respiratory tract. The treatments available now in the market up till now are quinines or antivirals, which act on the virus only after it has started to replicate inside the human cells. So once the receptors, once the spikes of the virus attach to the receptors of the human cell, it invades into the human cell and starts replicating over there. So also we've come up with the theory that the virus can be killed with soap and with sanitizers, that is ether or alcohol, which is ethanol, which is 75%. Now this virus is spread by droplet infection, and it can go in through the eyes, hands, mouth, nose of the individual. Alcohol can be applied, the sanitizer can be applied on the hand, and the hands can be cleaned, but you cannot use the sanitizer all over the body, on the face, etc. Also one more thing needs to be noted is, a person who contacts the infection, the viral infection, if his immunity is good, may not get any symptoms at all. If his immunity is slightly compromised, he is going to come up with the upper respiratory tract infections. A person who is asymptomatic is also a carrier, and he spreads the virus. The incubation period for this virus is a week or so, or even 2 weeks. The symptomatic period is again a week to 2 weeks. And even after the cure, or after the treatment and the symptoms are disappeared, a person may harbor the virus for 2 more weeks. So the problem here is that the virus is in the body and can be spread to others very easily for a prolonged period of time. And that is the reason why so many people are getting affected by it. Now, we need something to stop the virus while it is spreading on the body or when it has just entered into the body. Soap has already proved to be effective. The membrane of the virus is a bilipid membrane. Soap is oil saponified. The membrane is lipid, that means it is a fat membrane. Fat can be soluble with another fat. So, for this purpose, if we use oil, any oil, but preferably coconut oil, as theories have been proved that lauric acid is extremely good, and it is an antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal as well. But everybody has oils in their house. So you could use either coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, mustard oil, sesame oil. You could use any of these oils, or even the cooking oil that you have in your house. So what I recommend is, we stop the virus in the phase where it is spreading. Isolation is the best cure and the best option to restrict the virus spreading. However, we need to limit it on the person or not allow it to reside in the person for a long time. So, put a drop of any of these oils, or even melted cow's ghee, pure cow's ghee at room temperature, inside the eyes. Put a drop of the oil inside the eyes twice a day, thrice a day. Put a drop of the oil inside the nostrils and take it in. Gargle with warm water. Warm and ultraviolet light also damage the virus. So gargle with warm water, put a teaspoon of oil in it and gargle with that. You can also add turmeric and a little salt in the gargling water. Another option as per our Ayurveda is oil pulling. Oil pulling is taking a tablespoon of oil into your mouth and going on swishing it in your mouth as if you are doing a Listerine gargle, and keep swishing it till the content of the oil is so much in your mouth and you can't hold it anymore. Do not take that oil inside. Remove it from your mouth and spit it out and gargle your mouth. Rinse your mouth with plain water. So by doing this, we are not allowing the virus to go deeper in. We are killing it. The membrane gets disintegrated and the virus dies itself over there and it doesn't go further. You can apply the oil on your face and on your hands. The sanitizers which have ethanol, 75%, are creating a havoc with a lot of diseases and problem on the skin. Oil is human safe. It is safe to nature. It is safe to the environment. Use oil. I recommend, please use oil to keep yourselves healthy and fit and be away from coronavirus. Just checking if I missed on anything. Yes, you could also use the oil diluted in warm water for an enema. The virus also seems to be spreading through stools in certain individuals. You could wipe out surfaces with coconut oil or any oil. Virgin coconut oil is the best. And you can make an emulsion, nano emulsion of coconut oil with water and use it for gargles. Thank you. This is all that I have to convey. I hope this is conveyed to everybody and they take this seriously and take it forward. Share this video with everybody, to the entire world, so that it helps everybody and we turn out victorious against the coronavirus, which seems to have made us empowered. It had a lesson for us to learn. We need to respect nature. We need to give it its place and we need to survive and exist in partnership with nature and not prove to be more superior to it. I humbly request all to please put into practice what I have shared in this video and share it with everybody. Thank you.